और बड़ी जल्दी साफ होने की खिदमत कर रहे हैं। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि 18वीं तरमीम के बाद जो
जुड़े हुए हैं बिकॉज वो जो एनओसी है
हमारे अदारे और हमारी प्रॉपर्टी हमारी पहचान
लोग बैठे होते हैं उनको हमारी चर्च
Recently, a communal act has come through which, the government is trying to take over the control of the property in their hand. By control, I mean to say that they want to dictate the different stakeholders and property holders of the minority communities, not only of Christian but others as well, Hindus and Sikhs. That without their consent, the properties cannot be either developed or done something for this. And one point that they have added is selling of it. No community wants that their property should be sold, because the properties are our identity, and if they are gone, we are nowhere. So we are totally against this bill, and we don't want that any provision should be given for the sale or lease of the property. No way. But as far as the development is concerned, the concerned stakeholders should be permitted that after taking permission from their own boards or executive committee or whatever the controlling body they have got, after they should go for the development as well. Because it is very important that we should be having our income generating projects. So we, especially the Church of Pakistan, is particularly against this bill and against this whatever they are planning to do, and we want that they should review it, and especially they should totally delete the word of selling or giving it on lease from it. So this is it. Recently the government has done another little devastating action and approach, that they have nationalized our only Christian college in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which is very sad. And this is the recent government has done it just in 2019. Whereas the property belongs to church, the institution belongs to church. The institution was created, it was made in 1900, and after 122 years, rather more than that, they are trying to grab it, they are trying to hijack. We are very sad about it, and we have gone against it into the Supreme Court, but unfortunately Supreme Court didn't take it serious. Unfortunately, we have again gone for the review. I hope that it will be done. But the important thing is this, that the government, if they want, they have got the provision in that act that they can give it back to their real owner. So if government is so sympathetic and so loving towards their Pakistani minorities, why don't they give it back? And why one Christian college to be nationalized in whole of Pakistan, So we are really sad about it, that the protectors of the community, whether they are majority community or whether they are minority community, protectors of their institution, they are grabbing the institutions, hijacking it, and we are very sad about it. And we demand everyone that please stand with us for this very, very sad incident, and the government should be asked to give it back to their owner, and that is the Church of Pakistan. I hope the government will understand this. Thank you. God bless you.